What if the marketing department in your organization require a sleek Insta reel video without the help of any videographer, animator, video editor? What you do? Welcome to the Cut the Faff. In this video, what we're gonna do, we will present a solution based on SharePoint, Power Automate, calling the Seedance 2.0 API for our video generation to saving the file into our SharePoint. How it will be happening? I'm on my SharePoint list. So what we are doing over here, that we are registering the requests from the marketing department, marketing campaign, school holidays. Nowadays, it's a school holidays for our kids. Marketing requirement saying that okay, we can run some program for the kids. We will provide prompt for our Insta Reel video, a bright, energetic Instagram Reel video for happy 8-year-old kids wearing headphones, smiling and building Lego robots in a futuristic classroom, bright studio lighting, 4K cinematic camera position. Say click on save. So we have this Power Automate flow which we have created. I'm triggering it for every item created on our SharePoint site. I have couple of variables over here. So over here I'm calling this HTTP action and method is post URI. The URL authorization is my bearer key and content type is application JSON. Over here I'm providing model bytedance Seedance 2.0 fast, and prompt is whatever I provided the prompt in my descriptions. Parameters, so it would be a 4-second longs and 10.9 to 16.16 into 19. That's a real ratio. And then generate audio. So I also have the audio. After passing the prompt, we need to wait for the video to be generated. Okay, so over here we are doing do until receive. So basically this is where I am calling an API asking that if my video is ready for to download or not. Or it will give us three status: pending, failed, or completed. Okay, so for once it is being completed, so what we will do that we come out from this do until received, and then in our condition we check if it is being completed API. So basically this API is downloading the body, and then once receive the body, we create the file into our SharePoint and then come to the request list. So let's see how our request is doing through the Power Automate flow. So the flow runs completely, and let's see what has happened. Oh wow, it's created the video alert to the document library, and see. This is our document library, and then this is the new videos been generated. So I click on it. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. So thank you all. Thanks everyone. I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.